Let's talk about the focus key phrase and where the focus key phrase should be used in. The focus key phrase is basically this. So this is our focus key phrase. Getting better, how to get better at pull-ups. If you scroll down to Yoast SEO, you should see here this. It says focus key phrase. Sometimes the focus key phrase is referred to as the focus keyword. So just in case that might confuse some people. And also, you can only have one focus key phrase per page. What are the good practices for focus key phrase? Well, first of all, like we said, you can only use one focus key phrase. Second thing is the focus key phrase should appear on the link of the page. As you can see here, this post's link is fitgymfanatics.com/supplement/how to get better at pull-ups. You can see here that the focus key phrase perfectly shows on the page URL. Also, the focus key phrase should appear on the first 100 words of each page or post content. So you must find a way to insert the focus key phrase into these first paragraphs, these introductory paragraphs. Of course, you must not compromise quality for for technicity or for the lack of a better term. So you have to find a way, in which you can add the keyword here without losing the text flow or the content flow. Otherwise, it might appear as spammy and leading to nowhere. So also, the focus key phrase should appear at least once in an H1 tag. Of course, if you followed the course, you must know that we have had a course on Yoast SEO and the classic editor. And if you're not familiar with tags, it is of no problem to do a quick introduction. You can see here that text can take many forms, paragraphs, and headings. The H1 tag is basically the heading 1, and the H1 tag can only be used once in a page, so you cannot use more than one H1 tag. In fact, you can use more than one H1 tag, but that would compromise your SEO. So for better SEO, use the H1 tag just once, and make sure that you integrate the how to get better at pull-ups, which is the focus key phrase. Make sure to integrate it on the H1 tag. Also, we have the condition that you must, if the posts or page content is over 1,500 500 words, you should actually integrate the focus key phrase into the rest of the text. So apart from the introduction paragraph, you should find a way to add the focus key phrase at least 2 to 3 times within the content of the rest of the page. Also, be sure to integrate the focus key phrase at least once in the file name of images. You got, for example, this image here, which is, if we click on it, this is our featured image. So the image, of course, comes with a title, and this title is basically the name of the image on your computer. So the name that you gave it on your computer. In order to have better SEO, be sure to add the focus key phrase on the image file name. Also, the focus key phrase should flow naturally, which is correct. So you should not be looking for opportunities to just stuff your focus key phrase anywhere. And by the way, that's a black hat SEO technique that was used before, used to rank people, but not nowadays. Nowadays, it is penalized by Google, and we don't want to get penalized.